WLFI price prediction. Let's talk about WLFI and everything there is going on for it right now. It's gonna be very interesting, so make sure you stay tuned. We're gonna have some fun. So get some Coca-Cola, get some coffee, get a smoothie, get your protein shakes in, and let's analyze the chart. This video is not financial advice, by the way. So here is everything we have to know. Basically, throughout the whole market, we're talking about a market dip. In the last few days, we did have a strong market dip, and right now we're looking at a strong accumulation. We had a trigger wave just like we had right here. We're definitely going towards this level. So I think that very quickly we'll move towards this high for 2% scalp. I'm interested in this high in particular, and this is the trade I'll be taking. A few other trades that might be of interest. First of all, this area in general right here is where a lot of stop losses are. So as soon as we're liquidating these stops, there might be short loading it, but longs are definitely in control. So I would just go for a long and that's it. It's gonna be a quick video. We're up to 174 grand on meme coins. If you want to learn more, use the link in the description down below. I have some resources, I have my course, and also right now there's some special stuff from Niki. XPL launch patcher 242,857 XPL. Get ready for the MEXC launchpad event featuring Plasma XPL. Be among the first to be secure high potential tokens. Subscribe now, and also they have the event right here. I'll have the links in the description down below. Just sign up. Have a link to sign up under my link, and also have a link to sign up to the event. So it's gonna be very easy. It's gonna be very interesting. It's gonna be wonderful. It's gonna be great. And here's my wife. She's cheering. She's happy about it. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the like button. Tell your friends. Tell your family. Tell your relatives. See you next video.